Dear students, my name is Venkatrao. I am a lecturer in chemistry. Today in this class, we have to explain Boyle's law, graphical representation, isotherms. So, before you see this my video, please subscribe my channel and please do not forget to press the bell icon. So, in previous videos or in previous lessons, we have to explain about Boyle's law and uses of Boyle's law and some problems, etc. So in this class, we have to explain for Boyle's law, graphs for Boyle's law, isotherms. So Boyle's law, graphical representations, isotherms. So first we have to think, what is isotherms? That means the graphs drawn between pressure and volume that is a pressure and volume that is a for Boyle's law. The graphs drawn between pressure and volume at constant temperature, that is say for Boyle's law, are known as isotherms. So what is define isotherms, or what are isotherms? The graphs drawn between pressure and volume at constant volume, that is say the graphs drawn for Boyle's law are known as isotherms. So the graphs which drawn for the Boyle's law means the relation between pressure and volume at constant temperature are known as isotherms. So now let me consider some important graphical representation for Boyle's law. So some important graphs for Boyle's law, that is say some isotherms. So the first isotherm. So this is y-axis, this is x-axis. So now on y-axis we take pressure in atmosphere, in x-axis we take volume in decameters. So the graphs are isotherm 1, 2, 3. 200 Kelvin, 400 Kelvin, 600 Kelvin. So this is pressure volume graph, PV graph at different temperatures. So pressure and volume graph for at different temperatures. So higher curves are formed at higher temperatures. Higher curves formed or obtained. Higher curves formed at higher temperatures. So this is first isotherm. So next one, B. So this is y-axis, this is x. So on y-axis we take pressure, on x-axis we take 1 by V value or density. We know that 1 by V or 1 by value 1 by volume value or density. Then so P 1 by V graph at constant temperatures. So here this is first curve T1, T2, T3. So next slope of this graph increases with increase in temperatures. So slope of this graph increases with the increase of the temperatures, and also T3 greater than T2 greater than T1. P1 by V graph at constant temperature. Slope of this graph is increases with increase in temperature. So when temperature increases, slope of this graph is also increases. Next C. This Y, X. So on x-axis pressure, on y-axis we take PV. Then the graph is the isotherms are so this graph is known as PVP graph. So in this graph, when pressure increases, then volume decreases. In this graph, when pressure increases, then volume decreases, but their product PV remains constant. So in this graph, when pressure increases, then volume decreases, but the product of pressure and volume PV remains constant. So this is, so here also T3 greater than T2 greater than T1. So the last isotherm is this is y-axis, this is x, this is log P, this is log V. Then T1, T2, T3. Here also T3 greater than T2 greater than T1. This graph is known as log P log V graph. So this log is known as log P log V graph. In this graph, the main concept is slope of this graph. Slope of this graph is negative, minus. So these are the four isotherms which we can draw for the Boyle's law. These graphs are very important for various competitive exams like NEET or JEE, mains or advanced. So if any doubt arises, you can call me at my for this mobile number 9391 999934. T. Venkatrao, my short name is TBR. Now this class is completed.